Yeah, me again. Back on this shit. We go to pick and roll. You gotta give and go while I'm on the block. Looking back, they say it's 2 pop. 2 shots. Yeah, I hit well. About to hit your ass up, make your head swell. Hit a shooter. Yeah, dressed in black, come to hit your ass dressed up. Logo on my cap, who is that? Shy back, chef, size back, chef in this bitch. About to put the style on the map. Coming in with the bangers, and I hold them like coat hangers. And with your ass, yeah, I'm scrapping them bangers. I'm coming back, yeah, they know that I'm hot. It's me, I'm shaking the spot. I got them 90 shells spraying your drop. I'm about to take off your top. I'm about to do them like some cool whip. Take your ass while you looking good in your cool whip. Take everything, I want the kilos and the packs and the stacks. Gotta get it off, Charlie in the lack. Playing back, know the facts. Yeah, it's me, yeah, you know I'm hot. Yeah, I come to shake the spot. Yeah, I come to shake it drop. Want everything, kilo stuff in the trunk. Got your ass looking face down, coming with the pump. You ain't ready, white tee spaghetti. Coming in like Jason when I'm coming with that machete. Niggas know that they know I'm hot. Yeah, I come to take the top. Yeah, I come to take the spot. Yeah, I'm about to lay the shot down on the concrete. Niggas bring the white sheet, cause they back to pick you up. Put you underground, underneath where you know that the kids got the pound while I'm riding through the town. Yeah, I'm about to take the crown. Yeah, woo. Yeah, they say that I does it. I'm out here. Ask my main man, say he my cousin. Yeah, got the bitches, niggas swear he my cousin. Cause we out here like some bees for this honey we buzzing. I got a dozen hoes. I got a dozen clothes. Nigga, double that. Yo, niggas, they run it back. Get it in the trap. Knock your whole team off the map. Cause they know we run the whole land, nigga, that's a fact. You niggas is whack. Know the wheel while I bring the crack. Bring the crack. Bring the crack. About to throw it on the track. Yeah, you heard what I said. Niggas coming for the bread. Niggas no indictment. Hell yeah, we fuck the feds. Yeah, fuck the feds. One shot to your head. Hollow to your head. Red beam, nigga, instead. Lay you underneath concrete. Bring the white sheet. Nigga had to lay your ass. Rush you like some lunch meat. Out here for the bread. One raise the spoons. We was eating with our hands. Local grows. What you know about the 40, I'll blow you out. Do your ass like Skipper in the water, blow you out. Where's Slipper? What? Where's Skipper? I'm out here on the block with my bitch Honey Dipper. Caramel ass swell, about to break the pussy swell. About to take a mama tail, about to tell the tale. All the guys what I did, they could go and bust a wig. After I got mine, I just got my nut off. Got that soul off, laid in the trap, searching for the blow. Whole kilo, what you talking about? Bike. Doggy boat, Debo on your block, dog, about to hit your pockets, watching your wallets, everything, about to take your watch. I don't care, getting guac. What you know about Big Chef in the game? No white stripes, ain't a fucking rep. Do it every day, all day in my hallway. Blowing big Chris sour diesel in my hallway. Kids walking past once there, that's a stinking smell. Hell no, fucking police, security, territory. Trying to get me locked up, 103rd, gotta get off. Pass up in the spit off. Goofies, they can get lost. Know that I'm sick up in the game, yeah, I run the thing. Be so crazy that they scream straight shaking, man. Ice game straight crazy, you know it's me. Hopping out, white boy, Patrick Swayze, got the flow, got the dope. Pretty boy swag, paying for the bitches. Pass, gotta give me swag, yeah, man, I want the riches in the game.